on this momentous occasion where we are inaugurating this mediation center. It all started about a year and a half back when Legal Aid Society approached us and updated us on what they are doing in the field of mediation. We were all very receptive for the reason that we wanted our backlog to reduce, and because we all believed in alternate dispute resolution, and also because of the fact that we have a great supporter of mediation in the form of Justice Ejaz, who's a certified mediator, and he also advocated the need for mediation. So we took upon this, we pondered, we deliberated, and since then we have achieved different milestones. We have trained almost perhaps more than or around 60 mediators. We have now mediation rules. We have issued practice direction in mediation, and now we have this center. So we have done quite a bit to lay down this infrastructure for mediation to succeed. But one thing we still have to achieve, and that one thing is change of the mindset, as has been pointed out by my colleagues and a bit by Shazir as well. This cannot be a success overnight. We have so far been following the conventional adjudication of the cases. In almost all developed legal societies, they are adopting to the alternate dispute resolution, of which mediation is one form. So we now also are moving towards that direction. As I said, we have the law, we have the building, we have the infrastructure, but what we need to do now, the need of the hour, is to change the mindset, not the mindset of any particular segment. We need to change the mindset of the judges, the lawyers, and most importantly, the public, the litigant. It is generally perceived amongst the legal community that perhaps mediation would adversely affect their practice in one form or the other. It is also seen by the litigants, some conventional litigants, that perhaps the judge, when is referring the matter to mediation, he just wants the case off his docket so that he doesn't have to decide. But none is the case. It's nothing like that. Mediation is for the benefit of the litigant, for the benefit of the public. And the only way people would get attracted to it is when they are made aware of the advantages, its advantages. So, as a legal fraternity, the judges, the lawyers, we need to make the public aware of the mediation and its advantages, that it is less time consuming, it is less expensive, and it resolves the controversy. And if by any chance the controversy doesn't get resolved, the courts are always there to adjudicate upon the matter. As my colleague, Senior Puni Judge Justice Mohsin Kiani pointed out, that we have about 18,000 cases pending in Islamabad High Court and more than 50,000 cases in the district judiciary. We honestly hope and pray that this alternate dispute resolution mechanism succeeds and we are able to reduce the backlog. And this can only happen where we encourage the parties, the lawyers, that resort to mediation. In order for the mindset to change and this process to succeed, we have developed this mediation center, and we are also in the process of establishing a facilitation center for making people aware about mediation in Islamabad High Court building, and that would be done soon. With this, I would like to conclude that all said and done, infrastructure is there, building is there, laws are there. Now all we need to do is change our mindset, change our approach from conventional to this new modern technique of resolution of the dispute. Thank you very much.